Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artworkfly, and in this video here, I'm just going to give you a bit of update. Alright, first of all, I'd like to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel. The last time I left it was at 170 odd subscribers there, and now it's at 280 now. So thank you guys very much for subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting. Congratulations on those who got their ones and twos in and threes in the visual arts exam and letting me know of such. So I'm very proud of you. I'm very happy for you. I'm very glad for you. All right, keep up the good work. um just a bit of update on Artmas. I will not be posting consistently for Artmas this year. um it's basically the same thing every year. So this situation is a bit different. The internet wire in my community has been stolen, so therefore the whole community do not have any internet at the moment, and Flow is taking 1 million years to get that back on track. So I will not be posting consistently because I have to be getting internet here and there and everywhere. So whatever my data allows me, or whenever I can upload something during December, I will do so. You might get a bit of vlog, you might get a bit of a short video, something like that, but it will not be consistent because of the internet situation. So that is the update for Artmas for this year. Hopefully I can post consistently for this December. We'll see. So that's just a bit of update. Thank you guys for listening, and I will see you guys in the next video.